when the travel ban was announced, dozens of lawyers flocked to Kennedy Airport to offer their services to individuals that they had never met before. This conscience that the legal profession has is something that we've tried to inculcate in our students from the time that the law school opened. Last year, 40% of the members of the graduating class performed over 100 hours of pro bono service. And it's very hard to overstate the impact that that work has on clients, individuals who can't afford legal representation, and on students. And here are a couple examples of the types of services that our students are able to provide.
We were really excited when the folks from the Rhode Island Medical Navigator Partnership came to the Pro Bono Collaborative and asked whether or not our law students wanted to participate in this program, and we said yes. It was a really unique way for our students to work with the local homeless population in teams. Each of our students are matched with a homeless individual, a medical student from Brown, a Rhode Island College social work student, as well as a caseworker from the House of Hope.
My job consists of doing street outreach, so walking around on the streets. I'm focused mainly in the Providence area, and we engage with people who are experiencing street homelessness and people who have severe mental illness or co-occurring disorders.
My role as a law student on the team is to, first of all, just kind of sit back and wait and see what the legal issues that may present are, and then I research the issue and I try to give the resources to the partner participant.
And we find out sort of how things are going, what's going on in the lives of the homeless partnered participants that they're working with, and we can help guide the students so that they can give accurate information to each of these individuals.
Having student teams with the partner participants first and foremost just breaks down that isolation and sort of starts to build a village around really excluded people.
Getting involved with this project was a really interesting way to help people in a way that we don't learn about in school, and it's not what you typically think of when you think of law students doing pro bono work. So we're not representing anyone in court and we're not filing briefs or anything like that. It's a really more the human side of pro bono work.
All of the work our students do is providing a service for somebody else who either can't afford it or needs the help. I think my case docket is looking at about 40 cases, and students represent real clients in court trying to resolve their immigration issues. In these cases in particular, as special immigrant juvenile cases, we do a simulation in class. It gets the student ready so that when they go to court, they know exactly what to expect and how to handle it.
So next week we're going to family court with our juvenile cases, and we'll be presenting in front of the judge there. The simulation is really helpful because most of us have never done anything like this before. And so it helps us feel more comfortable. It helps us prep our witnesses in the coming week so that they're comfortable as well, so that everyone's on the same page.
It's stressful and rewarding at the same time because my client personally is young, 14 years old, so it's like this individual has their whole life ahead of them, and I feel like the pressure's on to make sure things go hopefully in the right direction. The reward of this experience drives me, pushes me to go further, to help more clients, to reach out to more people, because everybody has their own individual story, and this child that we're helping, this juvenile, he could be the one to make a difference.
It was very intimidating going into it, but I felt really comfortable having Deb right there with me and knowing that she was right there to help in case I messed up, and she did help a lot. I probably wouldn't have gotten through it without her.
I want to thank them, the clinic, because they've been very available to us and have given us a reason to be hopeful. They have been very preoccupied with our case, and I really like that because I feel that they have been very supportive of us.
For me, as the director of this clinic, as an immigration lawyer and an advocate to the immigrant community, I'm so proud that this law school has established this clinic so that we can provide that service for the immigrant community in Rhode Island.
We would not be able to offer the suite of pro bono programs and our students would not be able to provide the kind of service they provide to individuals in need without the support of our donor community. And I want to thank you for your support of our public interest programming, and hope that you will continue to support those programs and to support the great work that our students are doing.